We are Corporate Housing Factory, your go-to company for booking temporary and extended stays in the Netherlands. Let me tell you what we do. We have about 200 serviced apartments in the Netherlands in all major cities, such as Amsterdam, Rotterdam, The Hague and Eindhoven. Big, small, minimalistic, modern and cosy, or as we like to say, gezellig. You can book our apartments for yourself or for your employees from 1 week up to 6 months, after which you might want to extend. And of course, your family or furry friend can come along for the ride. By the way, our apartments are sustainable, always fully furnished, weekly cleaned, provided with super speed internet, and we can offer an airport pick-up or drop-off too. In 10 years' time, we already had over 15,000 arrivals. How, you ask? With our badass award-winning team, of course. And 4,000 cups of coffee, 600 cans of Coke, a lot of bitterball and epic Friday afternoon drinks every week. And even during those, you can call us for any type of assistance. Now, tell us what type of apartment you're looking for.